There's a never-ending argument over which one is more important, functionality or aesthetics. For us, functionality comes first. Things must be designed to carry out their function before we consider what they look like. We seek inspiration from our clients' visions. We want our projects to reflect the client, speak to the client and of the client. The brief for this house was classic luxury, traditional architecture but contemporary finishes and furniture. The showpiece of this project is the kitchen. We used a bold, inky blue colour, and with that we used Momo's satin brass Belgravia handles that just stand out in contrast against those materials, much like gold buttons on a classic navy blazer. We introduced sliding doors that can open or close the television away. Momo Barrington Handles has that playful half-moon shape which added to the contemporary nature of the joinery unit itself. Every time we receive a delivery of Momo Handles, the weight of that box just speaks to the quality of the products inside it. Things that have been well designed stand the test of time and can be reused again and again.